Children are exposed to many wonderful things around them. But what they are also exposed to is air pollution and germs. You go above and beyond to protect them. But is it ever enough? Much like the air they breathe, the surfaces they touch might also be contaminated. The solution? Purchase the Atmosphere Mini Air Purifier and get a Eureka Forbes Super Clean Vacuum Cleaner worth Rs 3,599 free. A 360-degree cleaning solution for your home from air to surfaces. Hurry! Avail the double bonanza Clean Air Clean Home offer today and get a Eureka Forbes Super Clean Vacuum Cleaner worth Rs 3,599 free with Atmosphere Mini Air Purifier.